In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Notion page background and create a clean, polished page design. To get started, open the Notion page you want to customize. This is the page where you want to improve the overall look and make it feel more visually organized. Before changing anything, it helps to quickly look at the page as it is now so you can decide what kind of style you want. Whether you're going for something minimal, colorful, professional, or cozy, having a clear direction will make the rest of the design feel more consistent. At the top of the page, click Add Cover. This will place a large banner image across the top of your Notion page. The cover is one of the first things people notice, so it plays a big role in setting the tone of the page. Even a simple cover can make a plain page feel much more intentional and visually appealing. Next, change the cover by choosing an image from Notion's built-in gallery, uploading your own image, or pasting a link to one. Like if you want something quick and easy, the built-in options are great because they're already formatted nicely for Notion. If you want a more personal or branded look, uploading your own image can work really well. Just make sure the image feels relevant to the page and doesn't make the text hard to read. If needed, reposition the cover image so the most important part of the image is visible. Sometimes an image looks perfect at first, but the crop can hide the main subject or focus on the wrong area. Adjusting the position helps you frame it better and keeps the page looking balanced. Take a moment here because small changes in placement can make a big visual difference. After that, add an icon or emoji that matches the cover and the mood of the page. This gives the page a little more personality and makes it easier to recognize at a glance, especially if you have a lot of pages in your workspace. Try to choose something that complements the cover instead of competing with it. Then, refine the page design by using headings, dividers, and callouts to match the style you've chosen. These elements help structure the content and make the page feel cohesive. Headings improve readability, dividers create separation, and callouts can highlight important notes while also adding visual interest. Finally, review the entire page and make sure it still looks clean and readable. A good design should look nice without getting in the way of the content. If the cover, icon, and layout all feel consistent and easy on the eyes, then your Notion page customization is complete.